What is going on, guys? How are you today? So today I'm gonna go to the Copart and I wanna look at the 2018 Tesla Model 3 for our next rebuild project, and also 2016 Audi A7. It's also gonna be the rebuild project if we will win this car. So let's go. So here's a Tesla. It's a front end damage. Windshield needs to be repaired, hood needs to be repaired, everything needs to be replaced, but the biggest part needs to be replaced is the battery. I'm pretty sure maybe we can fix the battery. The airbag needs to be replaced too. The only one part is we will not be able to get updates for this Tesla. No upgrades, no nothing. It's locked inside. So I don't know, this car price is 45,000, clean title, and the repair cost is 35,000. So it's not worth to bid 10,000 or more for this car, because it needs lots of parts. Actually, lots of parts for the Tesla you can buy from the eBay used. You can buy it from the official Tesla. I don't know, maybe if it will go for cheap, we'll take this car, but if not, then we'll skip and we'll be looking for the next available. Looks like it's different front right wheel. I guess they just installed a new one, car B on the wheels. And yeah, what do you think about this car? It's got 8,000 miles and it's gonna be a fun project, probably. We'll see. Okay, so here's a 2016 Audi A7. It's a prestige model. It's got 14,000 miles actual, and it's rear end damage. As you can see, it's missing the rear bumper. The taillight seems good. I mean, just laying down on the reinforcement bar. Can I open the trunk? Let's see. I think it should be automatically. But it's not. The battery is dead. Okay, so here's all the parts from the inside. Actually, the bumper with all the sensors. So as you can see, a lot of the sensors seems to be good. So it needs a rear right door, not even opening. So we're gonna need this airbag, the front passenger seat airbag. Let's see what inside. Also that airbag. Seat belt looks to be locked. It's not really locked, but it's not moving. So I don't see what's wrong with this bumper from the inside. All the sensors are in place at the original position. This door is good. So let's see the damage maybe from here. Is anything broken? Everything looks fine from this side. It's supercharged model. The interior is everything good. I think we need the seat belt, airbags, the side passenger right side airbags. You can see the parts like this. Seems to be good. Looks good. So we don't need to buy one. This part is good too. It's a Bose sound system. We got some goodies here, and so this piece is broken. Rear right door needs to be replaced. This thing needs to be replaced too. The right quarter panel needs to be replaced too. It's around 600. So it looks like all the brackets are good. I found that the left side one looks good too. Nothing broken as I can see from my perspective. Okay, so left and right side of the taillight seems good. The bumper, I mean, we can even fix it maybe with all these parts. How about the exhaust? Looks like exhaust is good too. From the left side, from the right side too. So yeah, our estimate was like 6,000–7,000 to repair this car. That's it for now with this car. I'll take some picture to make a better estimate. Let us know, guys, what you guys think about this rebuild. So we're thinking of putting the maximum bid around 17–18,000, after repair price like 25. The clean title with this mileage around $35,000 price. And yeah, so if Vitaly wants to drive this car just for himself, he's not gonna resell it too soon. He'll probably drive this car for another 3 to 5 years. Audi drops the value so fast. It's not worth to buy the salvage Audi and then resell it. No one gonna buy it. So thank you guys for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, and write a comment about this, our next rebuild. And see you in the next episode. Bye!
Sold!